Hello everyone, I am Shlesha here, and today I'm going to tell you that how can you link your JavaScript file into your HTML page. So, first of all, as you can see, I am here in Visual Studio Code, and I have already linked my style sheet. And now I'm going to link my JavaScript file into the HTML page. This is the basic syntax. Now, first of all, I'll be creating the JavaScript file here, which is script.js. Then here I can write something so that while testing you would know that it is directly linked or not. I have added an alert box here. Uh, if Then we can save it. And now in here in HTML, below this h1 tag in the body, we have to write script src equals then the name of your JavaScript file. Here it's script.js, so I'm writing script.js. Then we can save. Now when I'll run this page, you can see the alert box in the browser. So as you can see, you can see the alert box here, which is written hello, so that our JavaScript is perfectly running and our JavaScript is linked to our HTML page. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching.